Fate Fear Simulation.
Oh.
Why does Bat Guy hit?
I've been playing for over 12 years.
Thanks for coming. Let's talk now. Anyway, Seeker here made the 2 games that Smile hacked, and we were about to delete his games until it was too late. Maybe he can help, eventually. You're here because we're hiring you for a mission to terminate a Smile follower. Thanks to you, the button was pressed at HQ, and now the myths are weaker.
And there's more to that. The Overlords.
Roblox had 3 myth overlords back in classic Roblox. John Doe, Smile, and 1X.
John Doe is missing, and 1X was killed by Builderman. We can't let new Overlords come to power.
We need your help, and I'll go over the mission in the debriefing room. You'll meet their team there, too.
Player, no pressure, but a lot of people are relying on you. These myths are strong, but I just wish you luck, man.
Hey player, this is your team. You can introduce yourself later. Just take a seat and listen up. Okay team, here's the plan. We've picked up the aura signal of Cool Kid, one of Smile's most powerful hackers. He is known for radio manipulation and metaverse breaching. We located him here, at Classic Robloxia. Your job is to land there and find this guy and terminate him for good. Be careful though, as we also picked up senses of other beings from the Rake, Stereotypical Obby, the Stalker, and Residence Massacre, meaning Cool Kid may have brought those monsters in to help him. If you terminate Cool Kid, he'll be gone for good. But if you die, you don't come back this time. Ever. I wish you all luck. Dismissed.
All engineers, report to the hangar area.
Let's take that for a drop it like and sit down. Let's drop it. Launching team on is 10 seconds.
Whoa. Yo, player. Finally woke up? You passed out a bit at takeoff. We're almost there. There's a few more tabs to fly over. My name is Hoff. I've been working here for years. Those 2 lovebirds over there are Nia and Hunter. They're engaged.
Hey bro, It's a pleasure to meet you, player.
Hope you're ready for this mission.
Yep, this is our last mission before the RAS dismisses us.
Then we can finally be together after years of service.
Meeting you was one of the best parts of this job.
That's the person who makes me happy every day.
Guys, cut it.
And this is our team leader, Beck. In all my years, no one has seen him take off his mask.
You don't want to know what's under the mask, Hoff. Trust me.
Anyways, that's us. We haven't been on a mission in a while. Get ready to land.
Hoff, we got a problem. We can't land. We have to jump.
Open the safety door.
The story of Roblox begins in 1989 with this simple block. We programmed a 2D simulated physics which would later
Close. Pull back. I said pull back. The lightning is gonna...